Point more local. Eyewitness News, local at 9 on Fox 39, starts now.
Good evening, I'm Eric Wilson.
And I'm Jerica Valtierra.
The steady rainfall we've seen practically every day has had an effect on rivers and roads. Because of flooding, the Stephenson County Sheriff's Department's put out a list of road closures.
And while drivers are dealing with finding alternative routes, one Freeport family I spoke with is working on saving their home from damaging waters.
This time, the rain came up fast. We had an unusual amount of rain for this time of the year.
And if you drive through Stephenson County, you could see a lot of this. Cornfields flooded, road closed signs and barriers, neighborhood streets covered with water. As continuous rainfall is forecasted, Stephenson County Sheriff David Snyders says his deputies will be on the lookout while patrolling for any roads covered by water.
If you see a road flooded that isn't barricaded, do not drive in that water because you don't know if the water has washed out the road or if there's any other dangerous situations just under the water.
Sheriff Snyders adds if you see the orange and white barriers, turn around and don't drown, especially in a residential area.
You're creating a wake that's going to possibly do damage to their property or their home.
With the past several days of rainfall, Mary Liebert and her family have experienced that at their Freeport home.
Yesterday driving and trucks driving through yesterday and today. Earlier I see cars, trucks is driving on down the road.
Now she and her family have to work on the cleanup that could take weeks.
Having to move out, get whatever clothes you can get and go stay at a relative's house. You got to sleep on the couch and you got to inconvenience other people, so it's really stressful. You can't go home, you can't change clothes. So we got to go buy boots, make sure the pump is going, and hope for the best. So.
You can find the story on mystateline.com for the complete list of road closures in Stephenson County.